Welcome back to the channel. Today I am featuring two of the most popular plans by Weston Homes today, the Preston plan and the Carter plan. I'm not sure if you know, but Weston does an amazing job of pretty much every year revamping and tweaking their floor plans a little bit to kind of go with the times and to fit the trends and to just generally stay on top of their most popular floor plans. So that's why you see sometimes the Preston 3 plan. They do it by Roman numerals. The Preston 9 plan, the Carter 9 plan. So that's what we're going to see today. We're going to see the Preston and the Carter. So these are similar plans, but they're different. So the Preston is a bit smaller. It starts out at a 4-bedroom. And the Carter that we'll see here after is a 5-bedroom. And so kind of dependent on the space that you need and the upgrades that you want and the movability that you want, kind of just the amount of breathing room and the amount of space that you need in the plan might determine what floor plan suits you best. But what remains the same in most of these plans and so many of these plans is what you guys love the absolute most, which is the open to below floor plan where you can see from the second floor down below, and that spiral staircase with the rotunda ceiling, as well as just how much of a option you get adding in the media room. So in a lot of Weston's floor plans, the media room actually comes standard, which is the case in both of these floor plans that we're checking out today. So the Preston here is a 4-bed, 3.5 bath, and it is just chocked full of upgrades and wrought iron rails, and they just absolutely deck out their living spaces and the media rooms. And they really try to put the tray ceilings pretty much wherever they can in these model homes. So you'll definitely see them a lot in the primary bedrooms, like what's coming up here right now. And I love that. And that's one of the features that really just makes Weston Homes, not only model homes, but just their floor plans in general, incredibly luxurious. Look at that tray ceiling right there. It's just something that elevates the space more than some of the other builders that are out there. And that is one of the things that I think Weston does incredibly well, and it separates them incredibly well. They always do their primary bathrooms so fresh and so nice. They choose just amazing finishes. A lot of it is upgrades, but I wanted to kind of point out that if you are going for like one of these plans, you can kind of choose your own finishes and keep in mind that, they do a lot of these painting the tray ceilings and kind of doing these accent walls and stuff. That is an option, but it gives you just really good ideas for what you can do or not do. A lot of people just really love to keep their walls the same color, their ceiling the same color as the walls, just for that seamless look. And that's an option too. I think either way, Weston just gives you such a grand feel in general that no matter what you do, it's just gonna be very elevated no matter what. But even here in the upstairs, a lot of these bathrooms come in their own bedrooms. The Carter that we'll see next has one additional bathroom from the Preston here. So kind of depending on how many rooms you need, how many bathrooms you need, do you need a little bit more square footage? May depend on the floor plan that you ultimately go with. But that's one of the exceptional things I think that Weston does really well, is they have a ton of little sister, big brother type of floor plans. So you still get the rotunda ceilings, you still get the curved staircase, but the floor plan, it can be kind of smaller. It can kind of fit the lot size that you're on, or fit the square footage that you are really after. But Westin just has so many of these 2-story plans that fit the bill for however much space you actually need. So looking here down below, I mean, you can just tell that it is just a space where you can actually spread out. And I would say, if you're looking for a bigger game room, the Preston plan here is actually a little bit bigger of a game room, a little bit wider of a game room than the Carter plan that we'll see next. The media rooms here, the sizes are about the same. There's really no change in size to the media rooms. But the great thing with these plans is the media rooms come with the plan. You don't have to add it on. A lot of builders give you the option to add it. But in these 2 plans specifically, they come standard in the plan. They're already in existence. And that is just kind of a bonus feature for a lot of people. And some, it's mandatory. They must have. It's a requirement to add on that media room. Good sized bedrooms up on the 2nd floor, and that's with both plans. Next, we're going to check out the Carter plan. So as you can see, this is the Carter 9 plan. There was just the Carter plan, and then as they added little features and tweaked the floor plan a little bit, they kept the Roman numerals going. So the floor plan hasn't changed much from the very beginning, but they do really try to elevate it and keep up with trends like I had mentioned before, and I love that about Westin. So this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath. You do have one extra bedroom down here on the 1st floor. So if that is a must for you, it's a must sometimes for people to have 2 bedrooms, the primary and then one additional on the 1st floor, mother-in-law suite or just a guest bedroom. That is an option here with this plan. So that there might really help you to decide which plan to go with and how best to narrow down for yourself. I can also be a really good resource and guide for that as well, just because there's so many plans to choose from. And, Westin has different plans in different communities. They don't have the same plan in every community. But we can certainly narrow down best to what you're actually looking for. But here again, you get that sky-high ceiling, the open to below nature of the floor plan. Just love that. It makes it just incredibly open. Amazing kitchen here in the Carter plan. They really do something special here with their kitchens. I mean, they really try to get you to see how a great kitchen in a Weston home can be. I think they do a great job with that. The built-ins usually are always an upgrade, but that just goes to show this is what you can get in a Westin. So the Carter plan is available in many different communities throughout Houston. So they're on the south side at Meridiana. They're on the north side in Artavia. They're on the west in Katy and they're also in the Richmond, Rosenberg area. So really, wherever you are looking for a home here in the Houston area, Weston Homes is there. You can find a community with an amazing collection of Weston homes. And same thing with the Preston plan. The Preston plan is in far fewer communities, but if you are looking for the Preston plan or something similar to it, it's also available in the Richmond, Rosenberg area, in the Katy area, and then also closer up on the north side near Conroe. So just if you're looking for a certain area, you can usually find a Weston home, which I love. It makes it easy to kind of help you narrow down, especially if you're already kind of eyeing a certain part of Houston on the north side or on the south side or something. We can point you to a certain selection of communities to help you with your search. So here in Weston's primary and the Carter plan, you get a lovely space here that heads out into the laundry. That is a must for people, and usually here in the Weston plans, it is a standard feature where you get that entrance to the laundry from the primary closet. You got good sized bedrooms up here. These bedrooms here in the Carter are about the same size as the Preston, 12 by 12, 11 by 12. I think those are decent sized rooms for the second floor, so you'll see that quite a bit. And you'll see these Jack and Jill style bathrooms quite a bit up there on one side of the second floor or the other. The next bedroom. And then as we go back out to the main game room area here, you can really see how it looks, and they take their time with these plans, putting them together and even making the tweaks, if you needed a wider game room, you may opt actually for the Preston plan over the Carter plan. So kind of depending on what you want, there are a lot of options here. Let me know which plan you liked best. And if you're looking at a certain area or even a certain community here in the Houston area, let me know. There's just tons of communities that are popping up, especially out on the northwest side, like Jubilee. You got Legacy on the southeast side in League City. So there's just a ton of options and tons of really awesome communities that are coming up with incredible amenities. Of course, you get the pools, but they're adding in, especially these bigger communities. Legacy and League City is going to be very big. They just got all of the amenities, and they're just putting in tons of trails in there. That's going to be a great community to watch and see it grow. It's brand new. Let me know what you think, and see you on the next video.